This right here is a brand new page that I just bought for $350. Now, as you can see, it has 10.2K followers on it, and it's getting pretty good engagement as well. So as you can see, 14,000 likes on it. 21,000 likes on this photo. Another 14,000 likes. This photo got almost 2,000 likes. Another 2,000 likes. So as you can see, good engagement and everything like that on this page. But I haven't put this page to the test yet. I haven't made any money with this page. So that's why in this video, we're gonna be putting that page to the test, doing a 1-hour print on demand challenge, where I'm gonna be creating a design and trying to sell it on the page. And the goal is to make a sale within 1 hour. And if I don't make a sale within 1 hour, then I also want $100. Now, speaking of that, look, my last 2 challenges, I got close. My last 2 challenges doing a 1-hour challenge. I did a dropshipping challenge and I did an affiliate marketing challenge last time. I got close, but I didn't get it. So that means I also want $100 in this video. So if that's you on the screen right here, just DM me on Instagram and I got you. But this time, look, they say the 3rd time is the charm. So look, I'm going hard this challenge, man. I'm not giving up another $100. It's not happening. But before we get into the challenge, I just want to say thank you for all the love and support, because we just hit 50,000 subscribers on this channel, which is insane because we only had this channel for 1 year. We hit 50K in 1 year, and y'all know I do it for the culture. One more time for 50K, for the culture, man. Thank you for all the love and support, but without further ado, let's get into this video, man. Alright, so I'm on a website called Teespring.com. Now, this is a website that you've probably seen in one of my previous videos, but basically all you gotta do is upload a design to this website and drive traffic to the shirt. So whatever you're selling on this website, that's it. They handle the printing of the shirts, the shipping out the shirts, the customer service, everything in between. Like I said, all you gotta do is upload your design and drive traffic to it. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing in today's video. Now, this is a brand new account. 0 products ordered, 0 profit, $0 to be paid. Brand new account, so you know this challenge is legit. Now, as you can see, the brand new Instagram account that I bought this morning. I bought this account this morning, so I haven't tested it out or anything like that. So we're gonna see if this page is actually legit or not, and if I can actually make some money with it, because I paid $350 for it. And there's one more thing that I want to show y'all before we get this challenge started, and that's the design for the shirt. So as you can see, here's the design right here. It says introvert, but there's a twist. If you look closely, it has words inside the introvert. So they got persistent, proud, amazing, wise, deep thinkers, courageous, generous, reliable, brilliant, careful. Like, it's a bunch of words that describe being what an introvert is. So I feel like this shirt is gonna go perfect with the page right here, because it's an introvert page and I got an introvert design describing what it means to be an introvert, because a lot of introverts, they be feeling misunderstood and everything like that. So that's the design for the shirt right there. So we're gonna go over to the 1-hour timer. It is currently December 17th, Thursday, and it is currently 2:10 p.m. So we starting this challenge at 2:10 p.m. So just keep that in mind, and we're gonna hit start right now. All right, so we're gonna get started with this. So since we already got the design, all we gotta do is upload it to Teespring and everything like that, pick out the colors and all that good stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to apparel, and we're going to go with the classic tee. Now, there's a couple different designs that you could choose from. Well, there's a couple different shirts and options that you could choose from. So you could do like women's shirts, you could do a premium tee, but if you go with the premium tee, you're gonna be making less profit. So I'm gonna just go with the classic tee right here. Now, I'm gonna go with black, and we're just gonna go with black for right now, since this is my first time testing it out. Now, if I see that the design is selling and everything like that, I'll go back in, add more colors and everything like that. But we only have 1 hour, so we're just gonna go with black for right now. And here's the design right here. So we're gonna upload that to the tee, and we're gonna make it just a little smaller right here. Make sure it's in the middle. Boom, so we got the design uploaded to the tee just like that. Now, another thing that we need to do is set the price. So as you can see, if we sell it for $21.99, we're gonna be making $11.42 in profit. So I think we're gonna sell it for $19.99. $19.99 to start things off. Since we're not doing any work, all we gotta do is drive the traffic. $19.99 is not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit $19.99 for this one as well. And if they sell it overseas, we'll be making $8.81. Was €8.81 in profit. And then United States, $9.42. Like I said, let's look at the other colors real quick. So they got pink, red, gray. Let's go with let's go black, navy, and red. Let's start off with black, navy, and red just to keep it simple right there. So we got 3 colors right there. Now all we gotta do is hit continue. Now what you could do is you could add some other stuff to it. So they got hoodies, they got tank tops, socks, sweatpants. They got everything on here. So you really could create you a whole store without even having to touch the products or anything like that. So that's the best thing about the internet nowadays. You don't need any money to start at all. As you can see, this is free. You don't need any money to start. All you gotta do is make the design. And if you can't make a design yourself, all you gotta do is go on Fiverr or Upwork and pay someone to make it for you. You can get a design made for less than $50. So there's really no excuses, man. But we gonna hit this one right here. And we just gonna do the classic tee. And then that's it right here. Continue. Name of design. So all we gotta do from here is we're basically done. All you gotta do is hit publish listing. Now wait, one thing, I do want to show the black one first, so we're gonna hit that one right there. And then all we gotta do from here is hit publish listing, and then the listing is live, right? So boom, it's just preparing the listing now. And what's the time at? We currently less than 5 minutes. So it's a good thing that I actually made the design before we got started with this. As you can see, the introvert tee right there. Boom, boom. And then they got navy and red. Boom, $19.99. So now what we need to do is we need to go on the page, post about the shirts and everything like that. So I got Canva pulled up, and we're gonna make a little post so that we can post it on the page. So let's see. Alright, so double tap if you love being an introvert, hustling introverts, and then we got the swipe thing at the bottom. Boom. So this is what we're gonna do. We got that. That's gonna be the cover photo, right? And then I'm gonna go on the page and I'm gonna look at the top pics, right? So the pics that get the most likes. So this one, for example, got 14,000 likes. I'm gonna use that one. I'm probably gonna use this one as well, 21,000 likes. And then I'll probably use one more. So this one right here, 14,000 likes. I'm gonna add those 3 to the carousel. And then at the end, I'm gonna have the shirt. And then in the caption, like I said, I'm gonna tell them to click the link in the bio to check out the shirt. And then the link in the bio is gonna take them directly to this Teespring website right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and post it on the page, and I'm gonna show you guys when it's done. Alright, so the post is up on the page. As you can see, it just says double tap if you love being an introvert, and then I got a couple photos, and then the t-shirt is at the end, and here's the caption if you want to screenshot that. It just says double tap if you love being an introvert, and click the link in my bio to grab a t-shirt. Boom. And then if I click the link in the bio, it takes them directly to Teespring right here. And boom, so they can grab the shirt if they want to. And it's currently 40 minutes to go, and it is 2:30 p.m. So we're gonna see if I can actually make a sale. This time I actually have time. I have 40 minutes to make a sale, so I feel like I can get it done this time, but we're gonna see. All right, so peep game. For my expert analysis, it's looking like I might actually make a sale doing this challenge. So if we look at the views, let me actually bring the camera. Let me flip the camera real quick. All right, so if we look at the views, right, you can see that I got 26 views so far. 26 views, and I have 20 minutes to go. So 26 views is only a matter of time before we get a sale, you feel me? So I might actually get a sale because we still have 20 minutes to go. But I'm gonna show y'all one more thing. I actually switched up the caption a little bit so y'all can screenshot that if y'all want. Y'all can read through it, but here's the different caption. I just wanted to make it a little more touching so people can actually cop the shirt. But yeah, we got 20 minutes to go. We're gonna see what happens. Yes, sir. Look, as you can see, we made a sale, $9.42. 31 hops came from Instagram. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Let me show you guys on my phone too. As you can see, we in the same account on my phone. Let me refresh my phone so y'all know everything's legit. I can't make this shit up, man. Stop playing with me. And let me go to the timer. Let me go to the timer. We at 10 minutes and 33 seconds left to go. So I completed this challenge. Woo! What can I say? What can I say? What can I say, man? I told y'all the third time was gonna be the charm. I failed on the Shopify dropshipping one. I failed on the affiliate marketing one. Print on demand, I got this one in the bag, baby. But I kind of figured that because it was a dope design. So that just goes to show you, like, if you have a good design, create your little print on demand site for it and drive traffic to it using your Instagram account. Or you can pay for one like I did. Like, I just got that account this morning, spent $350 on it, and made a sale the first day within the first hour of launching something. So that just goes to show you there's really no excuses. And when you do print on demand, you don't even need a lot of money to start either. So no excuses, man. Y'all know I had to do it for the culture. But because we just hit 50,000 subscribers on this channel, I'ma still give out $100 in my next video. All you gotta do to enter that giveaway is drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you ain't peeping yet, this is the best channel on the tube for the hustlers, man. You feel me? But other than that, man, I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.